Need to replace the burn pot in your pitboss Austin XL? The manual calls it the fire pot. Same part. Today we're swapping it for a brand new one. Walked in clean technical diagrams to see the repair from angles that are hard to catch on camera. It's a medium job, about 45 minutes with a Phillips screwdriver, a small socket set, and a shop vac. Let's get into it. Step 1. Clear out the barrel. But first, pull the plug and make sure every surface and the ash in the pot are stone cold. Then, we can work. Lift out the cooking grids, the upper rack, and both flame broiler plates. Shop vac the ash out of the pot and the barrel floor. You want a clean stage before any fasteners move. Step 2. Back the igniter out. The igniter cartridge sticks into the side of the pot, and it will bend if the pot comes out around it. Free it from its mount and slide it back, clear of the pot. Treat it gently. It's the most fragile thing you'll touch today. Step 3. Unbolt the old pot. The mounting screws live in the pot's flange. Back them out, and before anything moves, note which way the feed opening faces. Now lift the pot straight up off its mount. If it's rusted in place, a gentle rock breaks the crust. Never pry against the auger tube. Bending the feed system is a far worse repair than this one. And it's clear. Give the empty mount a look while it's exposed. Brush off any rust or ash crust so the new flange lands on clean metal. Step 4. Set the new pot. Line the feed opening up with the auger tube. Square the flange to its holes and run the screws down snug. The pot has to sit flush. A cocked pot leaks combustion air and scatters pellets. Step 5. Reseat the igniter. Slide it back through its mount until the tip sits about a ½ inch inside the pot. That's the manual's number, and it puts the heat right where the pellets land. Then everything goes back in the barrel. Plates, rack, grids. Time to prove it. Check the pot sits flush with no rock. Hold prime and watch pellets drop into the pot. Into it, not beside it. Then run a startup. Dial to smoke, press power, and the fire should catch before the igniter's 5-minute timeout. Give it 10 minutes and look for a bright, vibrant flame. Pass all 4, and this repair is finished. That's it. If you enjoyed the video, please hit like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.